Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Virgo. Lala baby, nagpapakilala. So, narito pa po ako sa Denmark ha. Sa Martes na po uwi ko sa Belgium. Tomorrow po, huwag niyo pong kalimutan kung sino ang gusto maka-avail ng free question and answer tarot reading. Bukas po, magsisimula ha. Okay? The same hour po. Yan ha. Okay. So, bigyan ko ng reading for the month of July ang Virgo with the earth elements. Yan ha. So let's see your energy for the whole week, for the whole month of tawag dito, July. Narito independence ha. Okay. Wag daw po kayong dumepende sa iba. Okay? Yan. Fast changes. Lumabas din ito sa Libra. Yan ha. Okay. Take bold steps forward. Yan ha. So, narinig, bakasyon. Baka kayo is magbabakasyon sa month of July, ha? Yan. Mag-relax. Siguro pagod. Kailangan magbakasyon. Mind power. Lead with your mind power. Okay? It's more about your mind. Yan, ha? Looking. Okay? Since kayo is tinatawag na ruled by the anong tawag dito? Planet Mercury. It's more about changes, okay? Looking. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, seek and you will find daw po, okay? Kung kaya ano itong hinahanap nyo, maaring sa pagdadasal ninyo, di ba? Makita ninyo, okay? Through your vision. Yan ha? Pag-ibig man ito, trabaho, pagkakaperahan, saan man itong area sa buhay nyo. Marami pong salamat. Gift, yan Use opportunities that arise. Okay, yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, kung kayo may mga talents, skills, di ba? Gamitin nyo na. Yan, nagpatak yung card. Sandali. Ating babasahin dahil nagpatak fertility. Okay, yan. Maybe you will receive gifts too. Yan, ha? Okay. So, tingnan natin. Meron fertility. Yan, ha? Okay. Maaring for some of you, kung kayo'y matagal nang hindi nakakapanganak, baka kayo is manganganak. Diba? Yan. Kung kayo'y mga, anong tawag doon? May mga, halimbawa yung hindi makapanganak, diba? Baka miracle, magkaanak na. Diba? Yan. So, let's see other energy. May trouble po talaga ha, mangyayari. Yan. Sandali po. For some of you, it's more about moving on na ha. Kung ano itong iiwan nyo. Yan ha. Okay. Move in silence. Yan ha. Tahimik lang kayo. Whatever is this. Tagumpay man yan. Panalo. Tahimik. Ibig sabihin nito, ano na lang nyo, okay? Isa loob na lang. Huwag nyo sabihin sa iba. Pakagayahin pa kayo. Diba? Pasensya na yung stand ko is wala akong stand na dala dahil mabigat ang stand ko. Nanghiram lang ako sa pamangkin ko. Umalis yung pamangkin ko, dala-dala yung stand. Babakasyon sa ibang bansa ang pamangkin ko. Let's see the energy. Yan. So, meron dito tinatawag na the sun, le soleil. Okay, yan. So, nakikita ko dito is tinatawag na helping hands. Okay? Pagtulong. Dito, yan ha. Ma-either ikaw hihingi ng tulong, sila ang hihingi ng tulong. Di ba? Yan. Okay. So, narito po ang tinatawag na the tower Mars. Okay, yan. So, ibig sabihin, it's all about your independence. Diba? Don't depend on others. Yan ha. Ito, nakikita ko sa inyo. Yan. It's about your mind power. Yan, okay. Maybe you are using your mind power, especially when you are giving advice, diba? Opinion, para makatulong sa iba, di ba? Or if this is your energy or the energy of others, di ba? Yan. So, it's more about moving on, okay? Kung merong mga tinatawag na hindi naging successful na relationship, transaction, di ba? At work, marriage, plan, di ba? Project, yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag moving on, ha? So, naririto ang tinatawag the two of wands. Yan, ha? Okay. So, ibig sabihin ng the two of wands na ito, ikaw, it's like the two of wands describes you as a reliable person, a very, very fun, loving, very, very positive, di ba? You bring light to others, you bring sun to others, di ba? Halimbawa sa friendship, to other people, marriage, siblings, di ba? Yan, oh. It's about your duality, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag yin-yang, okay? Ikaw, pinapakita dito. It describe you. How they see you, how the people see you, di ba? Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the death, di ba? So, since the death is nag-reverse, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's more. Teka muna ha, pagka the death is it has something to do about transformation. Meron ditong naudlot. Okay, naudlot ito ha, yan. Yan. Kasi dito, nag-reverse din ang inyong the Mars, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, kung ito, it's like itong taong ito biglang napigil yung sasabihin niya, di ba? Yan. Let's say, a secret, di ba? Naudlot. Dito kasi. Yan ha. Naudlot. Halimbawa, naudlot na pag-alis. Okay? Kasi may travel dito. Okay? Yan. Meron ditong tinatawag na seek and you will find. Naudlot. Yan ha. Hindi natuloy. Maaaring sabihin natin cancellation or termination. I don't know. Naudlot. Okay? Ito lang nakita ko naudlot. Saan mang itong area sa buhay niyo. Okay? Or tinatawag na sasabihin na, kasi narito, di ba? Sasabihin na niya, pero hindi natuloy. Di ba? Hindi natuloy. Yan ha? Hindi natuloy ang kanya sasabihin. Naudlot. Yan. Pinigilan niya. Okay? So, kung ano man ito, either this is your energy, 'di ba? Yan, kasi narito yung tinatawag your duality, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, sa sobrang katuwaan mo, 'di ba? Yan. Mapapag-isip-isip mo. It's like magbabagong isip mo, 'di ba? Yan. Ito yung tinatawag pipigilan mo muna. Kaya it's not, maybe it has hindi pa oras para ito ay sabihin. Okay? Naudlot. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Five of Cups. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin ng the Five of Cups is yung kanilang nararanasan, di ba? May nararanasan silang panghihinayang. Yan, may panghihinayang dito ha. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, itong panghihinayang na ito, hindi pa nila kayang i-let go, bitawan, di ba? Okay. So, halimbawa sabihin natin panghihinayang, halimbawa sabihin na natin yung kanilang marriage, kahit hindi marriage, kahit sabihin na natin love romance, di ba? Yan. Is nagkaroon ng tinatawag na udlot. Yan ha? Yan. Kumbaga dito, hindi pa niya kayang i-let go. Okay? I think nabigla ito, kaya nagkaroon ng pag-udlot, 'di ba? Kaudlutan. Yan ha. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na hindi pa niya ito kayang i-let go. Yan ha. So halimbawa may nangyaring hindi maganda sa buhay niya. Halimbawa sabihin natin nagkaroon ng losses, nagkaroon ng bankruptcy, 'di ba? Nagkaroon ng failure. Ibig sabihin nito, kaya naka-reverse ang the Mars, hindi pa niya kaya itong hindi pa siya makamove on, di ba? It's like nasa nightmare. Parang ang tingin lang niya parang nananaginip siya. Parang masamang panaginip, di ba? Yan. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Two of Cups. Yan. Ay, the Two of Pentacles. Okay? Sa the Two of Pentacles, since pag sinabi mong the Two of Pentacles, it is ruled by the planet Mercury. Diba? Sasabihin naman ninyo, ay Lola Baby, ang Mercury is planet ng Gemini at ng Virgo. Okay? Yan. But, ito ang tinatawag energy ng the Mercury. There's something to do about changes. Okay? Yan. Kung ano man ito, di ba? Virgo, between you and others. Yan ha. Ibig sabihin nito, halimbawa sabihin natin sa marriage, kailangan magkaroon dito ng reconciliation, di ba? It's like maayos na, kung halimbawa hindi na kayo magkakabalikan, maayos na paghihiwalay, di ba? Yan. So it's more about reconciliation, di ba? Since Mercury ito, the Two of Pentacles. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na meron kayong mga kasoulmate. Okay? Kasoulmate nyo is mga energy ng Mercury. Yan ha, Mercury, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Kahit mo pa sabihin ito is the Two of Pentacles. Okay? Okay? Wag po kayong mako-confuse, okay? Don't be confused dahil the Capricorn is also ruled by the Mercury. It's all about action, okay? It's all about their mind, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, 'di ba? It's about their duality. Kaya ito'y the Two of Mars since the Mars has the energy of masculine, 'di ba? So, and the Two of Pentacles is also the feminine, and magsiswitch siya sa tinatawag na the masculine. Okay? Yan. So, it's about their drive. Diba? Yan. It's more about tinatawag fast changes. Okay? There's something to do about fast changes. Ibig sabihin nito, in the month of July, okay, you will take bold steps forward. Okay? Yan. So, gagamit ako ng ibang tarot card, ha? Let's see. Meron ditong tinatawag na ano tawag dito? Harboring, okay? Harboring emotions, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung masama, it's like may galit, may hatred, di ba? Panghihinayang. Okay? Yan. So, maaring sabihin na nating may mga secrets. May mga secrets din dito. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito na nalaman siya. Very, very painful. Yan ha. So, this person is not ready. Kasi nag-reverse ang the death. So, hindi pa siya ready. Okay? To move on. Pakawalan. It's like hinaharbor pa niya itong pain na ito. Okay? Harboring emotions. So, narito ang tinatawag na the King of Pentacles. Okay? So, let's see. It's about yin-yang. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, meron ditong tinatawag na this person is very, very fertile. I think either this is your energy or the energy of others. Others, the people na very, very significant sa inyong buhay. Okay? Maaring your person, your parents, siblings, di ba? Relatives, in-laws, di ba? Yan. Ibig sabihin, very, very fertile ang tao na ito. Okay? Yan. So, maaring for some of you, nakikita dito ang maaring nakakalimutan nyo na Since narito ang tinatawag na the Five of Cups, okay? At saka, yan ha, ito, the Five of Cups and the King of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na merong mga tao, okay? Let's say, a family, okay? Or your person, children, diba? Siblings. Kasi naman itong very, very attached sa inyo. With significance sa buhay ninyo. Yan ha. Sabi nila is, hindi mo na daw sila binibigyan ng time. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito is, magbigay kayo ng time, oras. Kasi it's more on pagpapayaman kayo. Diba? Yan. More on gaining, accumulating wealth. So, ibig sabihin kayo ito, okay, Virgo? Ang nasa isip nyo lagi is accumulating wealth, career, maybe career, di ba? Yan, dito, maybe it's about your status, accumulating your status, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin na may mga nagdarandam. Maybe your person, your parents, di ba? Maybe your siblings, okay? Maybe your in-laws. Na, ibig sabihin niya, hindi mo na daw sila nabibigyan ng time, okay? Because masyado daw kayong focus, okay? Sa inyong tinatawag na pinagkakaabalahan, okay? It's like, puro pera ang nasa isip ninyo, pagpapayaman. Maybe you want to have a house and a lot, di ba? Money in the bank, a beautiful cars, okay? Maybe it has something to do about your reputation. It's about your name, your status, okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the Page of Pentacles, the Taurus, Virgo, and the Capricorn. Okay? So, it's more about changes. Yan. It's more about your duality. Yan ha. Since you are, your energy, okay, elements, yung tinatawag na the earth, di ba? So, it's more about tinatawag na narito kasi ang the Two of Pentacles, it's more about bold steps forward, bold decisions, di ba? The Mercury, it's more about, nakikita ko the Mercury. Okay? It's like taking opportunities. Yan ha? Okay. Let's see. So, it's more about the Five of Wands. It's about competition, di ba? Yan. But it's more about mind power. Yan, ha? Mind power para, ibig sabihin nito, lagi kayong nasa una, di ba? Yan. If you are in a competition, ibig sabihin nito, use your mind. Yan, ha? More on your mind. Yan, ha? Okay. Quick decision, di ba? Yan. Since Virgo is ruled by the planet Mercury. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, if you are going to compete, okay, to others, when it comes to your career, diba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon kayo ng tagumpay since lumabas ang tinatawag na the King of Pentacles. Okay? Yan. So, yan, narito tinatawag the Page of Pentacles. It's about planning a travel. Meron travel, ha? Okay, yan. Or you will receive a gift, di ba? Or you will use your tinatawag na skills, talents, okay? Tinatawag for grabbing opportunities, di ba? Okay? Whatever skills, talents you have, okay? Use it. Ibig sabihin nito, cultivate, okay? If you want to go back to school, okay? It's more about updating, upgrading, okay? Yan. So, ito na siya, ha? So, it's like manifesting ito, ha? Maaring ikaw, maaring sila. They will come to you, okay? It's like heart-to-heart talk. magkakaroon ditong heart-to-heart talk, ha? Okay. Maybe, they will ask, maybe sabihin na natin kailangan nila ng financial, or maaring sabihin natin a shoulder to cry on, di ba? Okay. So, narito ang tinatawag the death, di ba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin ng the death na ito, okay? Meron ditong, kasi narito ang tinatawag na the sun, di ba? Okay. Yan. So, it describes here a person, di ba? They need a shoulder to cry on, di ba? Either ikaw ang nakakaranas ng the death, kasi narito ang the Five of Cups, at narito yung tinatawag, they are harboring, okay? Yan, kung ano man ito, yan ha, papahirap sa kanilang emosyon, sa kanilang isip, di ba? So, ito narito yung tinatawag na sikreto, okay? It's like removing, okay? Kailangang i-remove na ito sa system nila, di ba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na let it go, releasing, or magkaroon ng forgiveness. It's like this person cannot forgive and forget, di ba? Kasi narito ang the death, okay? Kasi kung the death lang, ibig sabihin nito, it has something to do about phoenix rising from the ashes, di ba? Rebirth. Ano pa? Reincarnation, di ba? May mga bubuhaying mga from the past, okay? Pero narito ito, di ba? So, meaning to say, what this person is experiencing, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na let it out, okay? Let it out of their system. At ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na wag na itong alagaan. Okay? Yan. So, kung may mga bad, halimbawa, let's say, sabihin natin, nahihiya silang sabihin, di ba? It's like confession. Okay? Yan. I think this person is guilty. Okay? I think this person is guilty. Then, you have to go to the priest, di ba? Someone, or a friend, someone you can trust, di ba? Yan. Okay, it's like your secret is safe with me. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, alisin na ito. Okay? The Five of Cups in reverse position. Since naka-reverse, ibig sabihin nito, pag-alis, pagpapalaya na. Okay? Yan. Palalayain. Kasi naka-reverse ang the Mars, ibig sabihin nito, they are still clinging. Nakakling pa sila. Kaya nga ito, naka-reverse. Kung ito yung naka-upright, at ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na they are harboring hatred, anger, diba? Jealousy, diba? Since ito yung naka-reverse, ibig sabihin, kung ano itong, kung saan sila nakakling, let it go na. Since narito na ang tinatawag na the death, diba? Kaya nga double confirmation. Okay? Kita nyo yung the death, double confirmation. Isang upright at isang tinatawag na reverse, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabing upright, ito yung tinatawag letting go, cleaning your conscience, di ba? Closing the door and opening a new door, di ba? Closing the chapter of your life, di ba? Closing book, something like that, okay? So, ito, kung naka-upright, ito naman is naka-reverse. So, ibig sabihin nito na udlot, bumalik. It's like hinohold, yung tinatawag na hindi pa nila kayang i-let go, di ba? Kaya nga ito, tinatawag na naka-reverse. So, let it go, okay? Forgive and forget, okay? So, it's about your tinatawag duality, the yin-yang. It's not yin and yang, it's the yin-yang. Your masculine and feminine, diba? The good and the bad, okay? The sun and the dark, okay? So, which one you will, tinatawag na magsi-switch on, okay? So, switch on sa tinatawag na water energy, the feminine, okay? Switch on. Yan na. Okay. So, That's it, I see for you, ha? Okay. So, use your mind power. Yan, ha? Kasi, narito ang tinatawag, if you are in a competition, there is a chance you will win. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag na it's your time to shine. Okay? Tinatawag na if ever you have a gift, okay? You're very, very talented. Nakikita sa tinatawag na the Page of Pentacles. Use it, okay? Tinatawag na use it, cultivate it. Yan, ha? Whatever gifts or skills, okay, na meron kayo. Okay? So, that's it I see for you. Okay? Kakaroon ng success. Yan, ha? Kung ano man itong competition na kinakaharap ninyo.